Okay, hello everyone. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are starting to catch up on some of the assignments. I just wanted to start with this one here real quick, which is assignment 2B. That's 2B, assignment 2, but the part B. I just wanted to open it up here and make sure that you understand that the units need to be set to these things here that you see before you start. Very important. This is a key thing. This is a surveyor units here. And the type of units and for the angles and precision should be north 0 degrees east. That's the precision. You can change that to something else. We can make it whatever precision you want, but that's pretty much, I think the way it's being called out, it could be this one here. Anyway, I just want you guys to know it needs to be engineering surveyor units. This is the precision here and this precision here. It can be inches or feet, can be anything, doesn't matter. You know, that doesn't really have a bearing on this right now. I'll put it to feet. Doesn't really matter because there is inches in there, so we'll keep it in inches. It's feet and inches. But surveyor units takes precedence. All right. So let me just help you guys draw some of these lines here. I know you guys are a little confused with the way that we're doing the lines. I'll just show you really quick over here on the side how to draw the first line. Which happens to be here. We'll just do it right here next to it so you see how it goes. I'm starting off at the corner right here. In the drawing it says this is the start point. So I'm going to go ahead and start right here. And I'll show you. I'm going to draw a line. And it tells me to pick somewhere on the line. Well, I'm just going to pick it out there. Somewhere in nowhere land. Doesn't matter where. I want that angle. So the trick here is it's a kind of a little tricky. It's a little tricky, but it's not bad. You just have to do this carefully. Okay. First of all, you know that when you click on the screen, you want to draw a line. The first command that you have to start with is the @ command. So it's @ symbol. That turns everything into a line command. Like it'll accept numbers, angles, things like that. In this case, surveyor units. So the first thing I want is the length of this line, which you can see on the screen is 112.93 feet. Now don't forget, you have to identify feet on this because surveyor units requires that. So what's the symbol for feet? Is a little apostrophe, single apostrophe. What's the symbol for inches? Double apostrophe. All right, or quote. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing is, what's the length? 112.93 feet. Don't forget the feet symbol. And then it says, now I know that the length, now I'm going to have an angle. The angle is basically your directional, which is your southwest, is what direction this thing is going at a certain angle and certain, whatever it is, minutes. And then there's minutes and seconds. In this case, it's minutes and seconds, so we're going to do that. So how do you do that? It's less than. So now I'm in the command for your surveyor units, which is the south. In this case, move my mouse down a little bit so I can see. It's south 34 degrees. Okay, in this case, D stands for degrees. Again, the single quote or single punctuation mark is, or single, whatever that is, the single little quote line there, that is a feet, and then the double quote is inches. And then at the end, you have to give it another direction, which is west. So it goes southwest. All right. So basically, making southwest, but you're surrounding it, making southwest, you're putting the angle in between the S and the W. All right. So I'm going to do the S, and right away, there's no spaces required. I'm just going to type in 34 D and 09 feet, or in this case, minutes. And 22 seconds, which is the double quote, and then west, and I hit enter, and guess what? There's my line, and it's ready for my next one, which I'll just show you real quick. It's down here. What direction does that go? It doesn't matter where my mouse is. I'm going to hit the @ symbol to start, and what is the length? 134.92 feet. Don't forget that. Less than. And now it's ready for a capital S. And then right away, without having to put any spaces or anything, I've got my S in there. Now it's looking for the angle. So it's D, which is degrees, 06, oops, 06, 06, and that's a single punctuation mark, single quote, and then 14, that was minutes, this is seconds, which is double quote, and then east, so that's southeast, and in that angle that's in between it, right? And I just hit enter. Ooh, there it is. And it's going around, and you just keep going all the way around till you get to where you're supposed to get, which is the end here. Now, it will stop short, and we will go further in that on the next video.